In this video, I'm going to be going over how to set up WordPress on Bluehost step by step. Along with going over how to set up WordPress on Bluehost, I'll also be going over how to install WordPress on Bluehost so you'll be set up for success when using WordPress and Bluehost. Also providing you with a Bluehost discount so you can save some money on your Bluehost domain name and web hosting purchase. You will get up to 70% off Bluehost hosting plus a free domain name. Let's get started with the Bluehost WordPress tutorial going over how to set up WordPress on Bluehost. The first thing you want to do to set up WordPress on Bluehost is to click the link in the description below so you'll be taken to Bluehost and so you can take advantage of the Bluehost discount by getting up to 70% off plus a free domain name. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus you'll get an awesome Bluehost discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the Bluehost page. Click the Get Started button. You'll now be on the Bluehost Plans page. You'll see 4 different plans you can choose from: the Basic, Plus, Choice Plus, and Pro plan. The Basic plan is a great plan if you're going to have just one site. If you're going to have multiple sites, the Plus plan is a good plan as it allows unlimited websites and comes with an extra known as Spam Experts, which is an email filtering tool that filters and scans your incoming email for spam. The Choice Plus plan allows unlimited websites and comes with extras such as Spam Experts, free domain privacy, which protects your personal information from the public and will show Bluehost default contact information instead of yours, and the public WHOIS database. The Choice Plus plan also includes CodeGuard Basic, which backups your site daily and allows you to restore your site to a previous backup with a click of a button. Something I want to note is these extras can be added to the Basic and Plus plan later in the checkout process under Package Extras, which I cover in this video. The Pro plan comes with unlimited websites and includes everything in the Choice Plus package, plus a dedicated IP. With a dedicated IP, instead of your site sharing the same IP address with others, you'll have your own IP. The Pro plan also comes with optimized CPU resources, which is good for high traffic sites and better performance. It also comes with a positive SSL certificate, which includes a $10,000 warranty. I do want to note that the other Bluehost plans come with a free Let's Encrypt SSL certificate. For most, the Basic, Plus, or Choice Plus plan is what you want to choose from. You can always upgrade to the Pro plan as your site traffic grows to a high volume. Once you decide on a plan to choose, click the Select button. I'm going to choose the Basic plan for this tutorial. You'll now be on the domain page where you can choose your free domain name for your site. You can type it in and search available domains under the Create a New Domain. If you already own a domain name, you can enter it in where it says Use a domain you own. If you can't decide on a domain name, you can click the Create My Domain Later link and you can choose your free domain name at a later date in the Bluehost dashboard. Click Next to proceed to the next step. You'll now be on the Create Your Account page. You now want to input your account information. Next is the Package Information section. It'll have the Bluehost plan you chose with the term, the price, and you'll see domain registration free, as well as the Let's Encrypt SSL certificate being free. Next is the Bluehost Package Extras section. What you see here can vary on the plan you chose, as some plans come with some of these, or if you didn't choose a free domain name, domain privacy won't show. All these Bluehost package extras are completely optional and up to you whether you want any of them or not. First is Domain Privacy Plus Protection. I do recommend Domain Privacy Plus Protection as it'll keep your personal information private so that spammers and telemarketers won't have access to your personal information and contact you by phone and email with offers of their services. When you register a domain name, no matter what company you choose, the domain goes into the public WHOIS database as domain names are regulated. If you select Domain Privacy Plus Protection, it'll show Bluehost default contact information instead of yours. Highly recommend Domain Privacy Plus Protection. Next is CodeGuard Basic. This will back up your site daily and you can restore your site to a previous backup with a click of a button with their one-click restore. An example of where this package extra can be good is if your site gets hacked into, or you mess something up while creating it, or editing it, you can restore it to the version right before whatever happened took place and everything will be back to normal. The next add-on is Bluehost SEO Tools. Bluehost SEO Tools will provide you with reports, insights, and analytics regarding the SEO for your site, and it'll recommend things to do to improve the SEO of your site. It will also report your site to search engines. This package extra isn't necessary. It touches the basics in terms of SEO and is limited in what it tracks. It could be helpful for some if you aren't familiar with SEO at all. Next is One Microsoft 365 Mailbox. This will provide you with an email address you can access via Microsoft Outlook, which is a part of Microsoft Office 365. Your Bluehost account already comes with email accounts, and you can set them up with email providers such as Apple Mail, Gmail, and more. This package extra isn't necessary unless you want to utilize Outlook from Microsoft Office 365 for your email. Next, you'll see single domain SSL. Bluehost does come with a free SSL certificate for your site, so this add-on isn't necessary unless you want to upgrade to a positive SSL certificate, which will allow you to show a site security badge on your site if you like. And with the positive SSL certificate, you'll have a $10,000 limited guarantee warranty by Komodo, which protects your customers. Next, you will see SiteLock Security Essentials. This add-on checks your website daily for malware. It protects your site from hackers and malicious attacks. It will notify you if your site has been hacked into and malicious code has been placed into it. SiteLock Essentials also removes malware automatically. This add-on can be beneficial and give you peace of mind if your site were to get hacked into and malware is placed on it. It isn't necessary though. Next, enter your payment information in. Select that you have read and agreed to the terms and conditions and click the Submit button. Bluehost will now email you your Bluehost receipt. You are now directed to a page where you can create your Bluehost account so you can log in to the Bluehost dashboard where you can begin in creating your site. Click the Create Your Password button. Enter a password to be used for logging into Bluehost. Accept the terms and conditions. Click the Create Account button. Your Bluehost account has now been created and is ready to be logged into. Click the Go to Login button. Enter your Bluehost login details to be logged into Bluehost. Once logged in, you'll be on this page where you want to click the Create Your Website button. You'll now be on a page where it'll ask you how much help you need with building your site. Feel free to click the one that you want. You can also click Skip this step. I'm going to click Skip this step. The next page, it'll ask you the primary purpose of your site. You can select one if you'd like. If you click into the other tab, a drop-down will show, giving you more options. Under this, you can also click Skip this step if you'd like to. I'm going to click Skip this step. You'll now be on a page asking you how you'd like to build your website. On the left is WordPress. I'm going to select WordPress by clicking the Get Started button. Now be on the Create a Website page. You can select what type of website it is and who you are creating the site for if you'd like. Click the Continue button or skip this step. You'll now be on a page where you can name your site along with putting in your site's tagline. You can always fill this out later, so no worries if you aren't sure on this yet. Click Continue or skip this step. You'll now be on a page where you can select the theme for your website. There are a bunch of pages of themes you can go through. You can also choose a theme in the WordPress dashboard. Choose a theme or click Skip this step. You'll now be in the Bluehost dashboard. You'll see the Login to WordPress button in the top right. Click this to go to the WordPress dashboard so you can start creating your site. You can also click My Sites in the left side menu. Click Manage Site. You'll see a bunch of options you can click for your WordPress site. Click the Login to WordPress button in the top right. You'll now be in the WordPress dashboard where you can begin in creating and building your site. That is my Bluehost WordPress tutorial on how to set up WordPress on Bluehost. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Bluehost web hosting tutorial videos.